Dr. Leena, working as a gynecologist at Dokib Clinic, Mohsena, Dubai. Today I am going to talk about breast cancer. This is most common cancer in women and leading cause of death between the age of 35 to 54 years of age. All women are at risk for the breast cancer, and the incidence of the breast cancer increases as the women get older. Now, what is the breast cancer? When the cells of the breast grow out of control, the breast cancer happens. What are the signs and symptoms of the breast cancer? Most common sign of breast cancer is lump or thickening in the breast. Mostly the lumps are painless and most of the lumps are not cancerous. There could be change in the shape and size and contour of the breast. Skin changes could be there, like discoloration of the skin or redness present in the skin, spontaneous, clear or the bloody discharge coming from the nipple, indentation or the retraction of the nipple. These are the warning signs. If any women see any of the signs, they should report to the doctor immediately. What causes breast cancer? Breast cancer is caused mostly by the genetic abnormality. In 5 to 10% of the cases, it is the abnormality inherited from the mother or father. Now coming to the risk factor for the breast cancer, being women is a risk factor for the breast cancer. The incidence of the breast cancer increases as the age advances. If presence of the family history like mother or sister is a breast cancer patient, early onset of menstruation, late menopause, first child after the age of 30 years or having no children at all, presence of other cancer like ovarian cancer or uterine cancer or cervical cancer, history of radiation, presence of estrogen in the hormone replacement therapy, mutation in the BRCA1 and the BRCA2 genes. When to seek medical advice? When discover a lump or thickening in the breast and other signs of the breast cancer like retraction of the nipple, any discharge coming from the nipple like clear discharge, the bloody discharge, change in the skin of the breast and change in the shape and size and contour of the breast. If these changes persist after one menstrual cycle, you should report to the doctor. Presence of pain or the bone pain that does not go away after 3 weeks, you should report to your doctor. Coming to the screening of the breast cancer. Screening is the looking for the evidence of disease before the sign and symptom appear. Depending on the age and the risk factor, screening may include self-breast examination, examination by the doctor or the nurse, ultrasound of the breast, mammogram of the breast, MRI. Now coming to the treatment of the breast cancer. Treatment is available for all types and the stages of the breast cancer. Most women will have surgery and additional therapies like radiotherapy, chemotherapy or hormonal therapy. Getting regular screening tests is the most reliable way to find breast cancer in its early stage. When the breast cancer found in the early stage and has not spread, is easier to treat successfully. Thank you for watching this video and please do share with your friends and family.